Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so today we have some very cool thing that we're going to be doing today. I'm so excited. Okay, now you remember in small group how we've put our arm out to pull my arm in, so you can see, and we've gone and we've sounded out words like this, like d, ah, g. I'm trying to show you d, ah, g, d, og, dog, 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 dog. Okay. Well, we are doing that same type of thing where we're sounding out words, but this time we're going to be sounding it out kind of like a cheer. Okay, so it's something different. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to say, give me a duh. You're going to say, duh. Give me an ah, ah. Give me a g, g. What's that spell? Give me d, ah, g. What is that word? D, ah, g. Do you know? Dog, 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 dog. Okay, so we're going to do these together. Here we go. Give me a p. That's you when I go like this. Okay, give me an E. E. Give me a ch. Ch. Give me a p. E. Ch. P. E. Ch. P. E. Ch. P. Each. What's that spell? Peach. Peach. Ah, good job. Okay, let's do a couple more. A few more. Okay. Give me a duh. Duh. Give me an And remember, that's the U sound. Give me a k. K. Give me a duh. K. Duh. K. Duh. K. Duh. K. What's that spell? Duck. Yay! Good job. You're sounding out and you're putting sounds together to make words. You are so awesome. Okay, do another one. Give me a, give me an it. Remember, that's I. It. Give me a sh, sh. Put it together. Give me a it, sh, it, sh, it, sh, fish, fish. What's that spell? Fish. Good job. Okay. Next one. Give me a sh. Sh. Give me an E. E. Give me a p. P. Put them together. Let's see. What's that spell? Sh. E. P. Sh. E. P. Sh. Eep. Sheep. Sheep. What's that spell, guys? Sheep. Sheep. Yay! Good job. Okay, next one. Give me an mm. Give me an ow, ow. Give me a s. Give me a ow, s, ow, s, ow, s, ouse, mouse, mouse. What's that spell? Mouse, 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 mouse. Good job. Okay. Give me a mm. Give me a ooh, ooh. Give me a s, s. Give me a ooh, s, oos, oos, moose, 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 moose. What's that spell? Moose. Good job. You're putting those sounds together. Got a few more. Okay. Give me a, give me an eh. That's an E sound. Eh. Eh. Give me an N. No, not N. 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 Give me a eh, n, eh, n, eh, n, eh, n, hen, 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 hen. What's that spell? Hen. Hen, hen, hen. There you go. Good job. Okay. Give me a ch, ch. Give me an I. Give me a k, k. Give me a ch, I, k, ch, I, k, ch. Ik, ch, ik, ch, ik, ch, ik, chick. What's that spell? Chick. Very good. Okay. Give me a k, k. Give me an a. Give me a t, t. Put it together. Give me a k, a, t, k, a, t, k, at, cat, cat. What's that spell, guys? Cat. Good job, man. Y'all awesome. Y'all are awesome. Okay, last one. Give me a p. Give me an I. Give me a g, g. Okay, give me a I, g, ig, ig, pig, pig, pig. What's that spell, guys? Pig. You did it. Oh, I'm so proud of y'all. Y'all are putting three sounds together to make words. You are amazing. Okay, so part of your homework today is the blends train. We're doing the first page, okay? Now, families, as you can tell, I traced with a marker on the line that they need to cut on, that dotted line at the bottom, okay? I don't want you to cut it, families. I want the little one to cut it, my little scholar, okay? Then I traced around the boxes with a marker because they will probably need that so they know where to cut. It all kind of looks a little overwhelming, okay? Then I cut it out, and you're going to put the C first, then the A, then the T. Now, we actually did this word. K, a, t, k, a, t, k, at, k, at, k, at, cat. Woo, woo, woo. Cat. We know how to read. Okay. Then you're going to take the M and you're going to fold it just a little bit at the top, family. See how the M is still showing? But I folded it just a little bit and I'll put some glue on it. Now I'm going to put that right up here and I'm going to push it down so it's on top of. I have to fold it first because I don't want it to cover up the C, okay? Because this makes a word, mat, cat. These are what? Rhyming words. Good job. Okay, now you're going to take the D. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to fold it a little bit. I have to fold it so I can see the D still. Just a little bit. Okay? So families, you got to kind of help with this, okay? I'm going to put some glue on that little flap right there. Okay? Then you're going to put it so it's on top of the T this time. But remember, you're not going to glue it on top of it so you can't see the T. You're just gluing it up. Oh, I'm a little stinker. Get up there. There we go. I'm just gluing it, and I have to make sure the fold still lets me fold it up. Okay, so those are kind of sticking out because we're making a flip book. Okay, so I read through the directions, and this is what we're supposed to do. Okay, that way we can practice sounding out words and we can start hearing and seeing the letters that we're putting together, and we're doing rhyming all at the same time. It's so cool. Okay. A, d. A, d. A, d. Mad, 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 mad. Okay. So we have mad, then cad, just a made up word, but it rhymes. K, a, d, k, ad, cad, cad. Good made up rhyming word. Okay. Now I'm going to fold that up just for a second. At, at, mat. Just do it faster and faster. Okay, now fold this up. And remember, you probably have to help them a little bit. Okay, families? K, at, k, at, at, cat, cat. Okay, so this is part of we are learning how to put the sounds together to make words. And we're talking about rhyming. Okay? You are doing great, boys and girls. This is so awesome. I'm so proud of y'all. Okay, Don't forget, we're doing the letter Z today. So also see if you can find a picture or draw a picture. It's kind of hard to find Z on something, but if you can, maybe you can find something with the letter Z on it. I couldn't find anything here at school. Okay, I haven't been looking too long. Maybe I could if okay, I did find something. Here, the ounces. Right there. C-O-Z. There's a Z. I found something. Okay. I was going to say if I went and dug in the closet, but I wasn't going to do that right now. Okay, so we're going to do this. We're going to find a Z on something, or if you can't find a Z, then make me some Z's on some paper and show me, okay? But then we need to do Waterford, okay? I know the Waterford can sometimes take a little while. If you need to break that into parts, that's okay too. That's fine. I understand. But we want to make sure that we're continuing with Waterford and we're listening to those things and doing what they ask. Okay? So find a Z somewhere or see if you can make a Z or two and show me that Z. Then do your blending page. Okay? Awesome, guys. Don't forget to watch the other videos because we're still talking about the desert. Okay. Bye.